Hello, moms, dads, and caregivers. Thank you so much for joining us. Miss Chira here from St. Andrews International Primary School. We've put together a series of videos to help you navigate Google Classroom. Your first video tutorial is on how to log your child in. Thank you.
First things first, you need to make sure you've downloaded your Google Chrome app. It just makes it easier for you to navigate Google Classroom. As you will see on this interface, I am the person that's logged in to this Google account. What you want to make sure is that it is your child's email address that is logged onto the Google account, because their Google Classroom homework and assignments are all linked to their email address. So please click on add another account. All the children in the school's email addresses are their first names and their last names, lowercase, no full stops or gaps in between. So this child's name is Oluchi Chirwa at standrewsmalawi.com. We've made it very easy for parents. All the children's password is Malawi20. We'll make another video to show you how you can change your child's password. So we just go ahead and log in, and now you can see the initial here has changed from my account, which was a W, to my child's account, which is an O. We'll go here to the cheese grater, I'm told a lot of people call it, and you'll see all the Google Suite apps are located in this section. Please click on Google Classroom. Once you've clicked on Google Classroom, you will see that your child has already been invited to several classrooms. Your job as a grown-up is to help them join their French classroom. So just click join their art classroom, just click join music, join sports, and this is this child's particular class teacher. Please make sure you join those classrooms as well. And once you do that, they are a member of each of those classrooms. Here, we're in Mrs. Phillips' Google Classroom, and as you can see, she's already started to post some assignments. What you need to know is this part here, the stream, is where your child will see all the announcements as they come in from the teacher. Classwork is where they will find all their work and their topics put up by their teacher, and people are the children and the teachers in this classroom. So for this child, the teacher has already put up some maths and some English work. That's it. The next video will show you how to navigate the classroom in detail.